Hi, I'm Barbara, your AVON lady, and I've come on today to do some unboxing in front of you. So in the first quarter, I achieved platinum level in the AVON reward scheme, which meant I was able to choose 2 product packs. And I thought as they came in my delivery this week, that I would come on and show you what I got. So the first one, which has this lovely little cover saying "You're brilliant," I believe that this one is going to be my Power Serum 7-day challenge. Now, if you've never heard of the new renewal Power Serum, then you have really missed a trick. So this is the serum, which is absolutely amazing. As you can see, I love using it. It has got amazing qualities. It helps to reduce the look of fine lines. It makes your skin firmer looking. It also smooths your skin and makes it feel really, really baby soft. It gives you an amazing glow. It also helps to minimize the look of your pores. It gives you a stronger feeling skin and really gives you that lovely baby bounce. And also it makes your skin more resistant to outside evils. So I use this morning and night. It's got a magic ingredient called protanol, which helps restore both collagen 1 and collagen 3. And collagen 3 is that baby one that gives you the firmer looking skin. And I would definitely suggest that if you are 25 or over, that you add this to your skincare regime. And the other product that's in here is the brand new eye cream. Again, Renewal Power Eye Cream. It's got the magic ingredient protanol. It really helps to make your eyes get rid of the puffiness, makes them look glowing, reduces the look of tiredness, helps to reduce the fine lines as well. And I also did a 7-day challenge on this, and I've got an amazing before and after photo which I can show you. And also in my pack I've got some samples. So I've got some samples of the eye cream and also the renewal serum. And if you are interested and you live in the UK and you would like to try one of these, then if you send me a message and you're one of the first 5, then I will be very happy to post that out to you. So that was my first box, which is absolutely amazing. And then I've got my second box, which says, "Wow, you are amazing." So I wonder what's in that, because it's definitely a bit heavier. This box was called the Top Rated Beauty Pack. So I know it's going to have some fantastic products in it. So let's just open up. And as you can see, it has got 2, 4, 5 products in it. So if you can see there. So we have got, first of all, the Lash Genius Mascara. Now, if you've never heard of this mascara, it is, as I say, a top rated product. Once you peel off the outside, this is what you get. So if you are looking for fuller, looking for volume, length, definition, lift and intense pigmentation, then this is the mascara for you. I'll open it up, and as you can see, the wand there is called a Smart Control Wand. It separates and it combs each and every single lash. It's got this quick glide gel formula, and it evenly coats your lashes and prevents them from clumping. So this is amazing, and I have to say that I've started using it and I really like it. I have to say the last couple of AVON mascaras that I've had have been really good for giving that length. And as you can see, I have got really fine eyelashes. So I think what I might do is do a little video later on just showing you the difference that this mascara does for my eyelashes. So what else did I get in my box? So I also got a True Red matte lipstick. So if I just go down here, I can peel it off like that. Again, lovely casing. And there we go. Look at that. That point there for giving you red lipsticks. Now that is going to look definite for the glamour look. Parties in the evening, maybe you're going to a prom or a summer ball. This is going to make you look really stand out. So that's a lovely matte lipstick. Then we've also got the top rated Planet Spa Sleep Ritual Power Mist. This is one of my top selling products, and I get lots and lots of return purchases for this one. It's infused with the soothing essential oils of lavender and chamomile, really helping you to make your room relaxed and give you that good night's rest. Currently it's £3.75, however in May it's going up to £4.75. So even at that price, it is so much a better value, better price than some of the other sleep therapy sprays on the marketplace. So definitely give that one a try. Also, I've got a perfume to try, which is called Today, out of the Today, Tomorrow, Always range. This one is actually it's been with AVON for quite a long time, and the nose behind it is Olivier Cresp, and he is a very famous French perfumer. This one is a floral with a musk base, so the top notes are Nerello petals, middle note is herbaceous, and the bottom note is the silk musk. So that's a lovely perfume. Definitely if you're looking for that floral with a little bit of the musk in the eve, and I probably would suggest maybe it's an evening perfume. I haven't actually tried it myself, so I'm going to be looking forward to opening this one up and giving it a go. And then I am very lucky because I have yet another power serum, a new renewal power serum. So I'm really looking forward for when I have finished with my one, which probably, I don't know, that's been a month's use, so I've probably got another month out of this, which is pretty good going. I've been lucky because now I've got two that I've for my incentives, so I haven't had to pay for these. However, this is on special offer at the moment of £18. I think next campaign it might just be £19, but there is an amazing duo offer for the eye cream and this one, which is £28 for the two. And this one I believe is on sale at the moment for £12. It might be £14. Sorry, I haven't got quite checked. But you can find that on my website if you're interested and want to have a look and interested in seeing some of the rest of my range. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed my unboxing. If you would be interested in getting your own boxes to unbox, then give me a shout and I'll explain to you how you can become an AVON rep and how you can benefit with free products. Take care. Bye for now.